Hi guys, mostly I'm just sticking my head in here just to say hi. It's Wednesday, May 27th. Your Project 6 and Harry Potter notes are due today. I've given you plenty of time. The movie we finished on Thursday, and the project you should have been working on since, let's see, May 13th. But obviously you still do have until the end of the try to finish those up. If you're a senior, your last official date is the 29th, which is in a couple of days. However, the last official day of school is June 9th, so I still will be accepting things until then and later than then if necessary, but only if you email me and let me know what's going on. So that is what is due. So really for the rest of the try, I'm not going to really be making videos. It's just going to be, I'm going to do a video for tomorrow, but then after that, I'm not really going to be doing any videos. Though I do want to remind you, if you didn't look at Tuesday 26th and you just skipped today, Vocabulary Quiz 3 is in Google Classroom, and that is due by the end of the trimester, along with your vocabulary notes, your completed vocabulary notes you should have been taking from the very beginning of the trimester. Those notes it's always been in Classroom. Here, let me get to this. If you go into the vocabulary section, daily vocabulary, right here, that's where you submit this document. I have it due for May 29th, but you can get it to me by June 9th as well. And then I haven't put the Vocabulary Quiz 3 in yet. I haven't technically created it, but it's only May 19th for me. So I'm going to be creating that today and hopefully getting that put in to Google Classroom for you guys. So that is also due. There's no final project. You're just working on all your unit projects and then getting these vocabulary quizzes done and daily vocabulary notes. And that's pretty much it. Oops, sorry. So yeah, you should just be working and getting these done and catching up before the end of the trimester. Nothing new is going to be assigned after this this last vocabulary quiz, and those notes you should have been taking all trimester, so it's not really an assignment. You should just be able to take that document and hit submit. Alright, so that's that. I will see you guys tomorrow, and then that should probably be my last video, honestly, just because the rest of this time is work time. And honestly, you should just be emailing me with any questions or concerns that you may have. Alright, see you tomorrow.